Hi everyone, my name's Emily. I hope you're all having an awesome, rockin', fun, amazing, spectacular, lovely day. And today, if you couldn't tell by the montage or my festive nails, we're gonna be doing a kind of candy cane Christmas holiday makeup look. So, without further ado, let's get into it. First things first, the bangs need to go back, so we got a little Christmas headband. Ooh. Guys, look. I'm bulby.
Slap, 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 clap, clap, clap.
I'm gonna apply a lip plumper. You don't have to do it if your lips are nice, but mine are a little dry and crusty dusty and not very plump, so I'm just gonna apply a lip plumper real quick. Alright guys, so I put on the lip plumper. Now I'm just gonna do my regular face makeup, and then we'll get to the fun stuff later. So I'm gonna do primer, foundation, concealer, eyebrows, powder, contour, all that jazz. So I'll do that and I'll be right back. Sorry to scare you. It's not supposed to be a scary video, but it's turning into one. I think I overdid it, but it's fine. We got the face makeup done. She's really baking. Cooking Mama is, I think she might be quaking or in her grave. Again, I'm not a beauty guru, so also, lights are happening. Hi, I forgot about that part. I figured out that if I point two lamps at opposing angles, it creates like a ring light effect. Not quite, but it's on budget. Okay, so first things first, after you call an ambulance and tell them that there's an emergency happening on my face, you're gonna grab just like a black eyeliner, like last time. It's NYX. Could you guess? Alright. And you're just gonna tight line your top, not your bottom, okay? Only the top. Here we go. Hopefully you can see this time. Probably not. You just don't understand why you'd see that. Now that you're done crying, you're gonna wipe off. If you're baking, I don't know if you are. If you are, you better go check the oven. I look super pale, that's cool. Alright, so we're gonna be using tape in this tutorial. You know how they do it, like, you know, for eyeliner? So we're gonna try that. I don't really know how they do this so that their makeup doesn't come off. You know what I'm gonna do so our makeup doesn't come off? I'm just gonna touch it a couple times. Let it feel my love. Now you got your gross hand marks on it. You're just gonna take it and do one of those things. Make sure it's at an angle you want. I'd say about a 30-degree angle. Okay. We're gonna just say they're even. They're probably not even. Alright, so now comes a fun part. And I haven't tested this out yet, so I don't know how it's gonna work. But I have a liquid white eyeliner and just a stick one. So the last time I used the liquid one when I tried this look, it was really crusty. So I'm just gonna try and avoid using this if I can, but if you find a really good white liquid lipstick, recommend using that at this point. But if you don't, like me, I'm just gonna try and use the stick. If it doesn't work, we'll switch to the liquid, but let's see how it goes. We have the tape, so it should help. And basically, you're just gonna make a big wing. And honestly, the bigger the better with the wing, because that way people can actually see your candy canes and they won't go unnoticed. I think I'm just gonna do a base in the white, and then we'll go over it with some white powder and make it even look nicer. Alright, time to, oh, they look like penguins. Alright, okay, well, we're gonna peel it off and see if it worked. Oh, a little bit of a tape mark, but hey, it ain't too bad, huh? Oh, thank you, light. It ain't too bad. Let's see how this one did. Hey, they ain't too bad.
Are you sure about that?
I'm just gonna fill in where I didn't get to the corner. So now that we got the white base kind of done, what I'm gonna do is just go over it with some liquid highlighter that's white to just make it a little bit shiny. Probably should have done this while the tape was still on. Just to add a little bit more shine to the look, I'm gonna go over it with a shiny white eyeshadow color too, just to pack it in. Also, if you want to know what highlighter I was using, it was NYX Away We Glow in the shade Liquid Prism. And then I'm just going to use this MAC like shiny white boy to pack it on. Fun fact, I thought I could use this shiny white MAC eyeshadow as a chrome nail powder, because I thought that's what they used, was just shiny eyeshadow. Didn't work, if you couldn't guess. Let's get a little close up on the action here. Oh, hello. Here's what we're working with. So they're just like two big white wings. All right, so now what we're gonna do, if you have a liquid red eyeliner, that would be perfect for this scenario, but my one again was getting really cracky and cakey and it was gross. So I'm gonna be using a matte liquid lipstick in a red shade to draw our little candy strips. So I'm just taking a really, is that what beauty gurus do? A really tiny brush and just dipping in some of this red, and then we're gonna make just little red lines everywhere. A real like candy cane pattern is if you do like two tinier lines together and then a big red line, and then the same thing but like space them out. It looks really genuine as opposed to just doing like stripes. So it's up to you though. If you just want to do stripes, that's cool too. So I'm just gonna do that. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got both of the candy canes done on both eyes, as you can see. Since we used matte lipstick for the red, if you want to put eyeshadow over it, you can. If not, it's okay, it's matte, so it should be fine. And then also if you want to add red glitter, just saying, now's the time to do so. So what we're gonna do now is I have this Too Faced like glitter glue kind of thing for your eyes. It's really good. We're gonna just do a glitter liner that kind of comes in here and then like follows out. I'm gonna do it and then I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a second. Okay, so here's what I did with the glitter eyeliner. I just kind of did a shape that's like woo whoop. If you don't want to do this, you don't have to. I just think it adds a nice little pop to it, but again, you don't have to if you don't want to. I think I'm also gonna put a black just liner at the top of the candy cane to give it some dimension. It's looking a little washed out right now, but a nice just thin black eyeliner line on the top of it will make it pop. Now my hands are shaky, arms weak, knees are spaghetti, so we'll see how this goes. If not, take a picture now because they're not gonna look good after this. So that was more stressful than the finals I just took, to be honest. So I think the black liner really did help make it pop. So if you are better at outlining than I am, I'm sure it would look amazing on you. We did the eyeliner. Now we are going to move on to our under eyes. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. And I'm just gonna grab a brown, like a light brown shade, like the peaches and cream. Actually, no. We're gonna grab Georgia. Just something a little bit darker than that. It's not even that dark, but and then you're just gonna kind of go underneath. Again, you don't have to do this step if you don't want to, but I just thought it might be cute to put a little green underneath our eyes to give it a little pop. Then we're gonna go into Puree. Same brush. Oh, I'm just using a fluffy brush. This is just to like help blend out the green when we put it on. And now it's time for the green. Okay, so I'm grabbing just like a brush like this, a little fluffier than a concealer brush. Then I'm going into this Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette. It's Crusty Dusty. And then I'm just going into the middle green shade. I just want it to look green. Oh, wow. Again, this is a choose your adventure story, so if you want to put black eyeliner in your lower lash line, go for it. I'm gonna go for a nudish white color to pop the eyes. We're all about popping everything today. So this is it for the eyes for now until we do lashes. So now we're gonna do the lips. I'm gonna wipe off the lip plumper that I put on earlier. So I don't have any white lipstick, so we're gonna do some improvisation here. I have a jumbo white eye pencil and a eyeshadow base that's white. So we're gonna see which one works and which one doesn't. I'm gonna start with the eye pencil first because I feel like it's more pigmented. Oh, wait, we can make like a pop art. Hold on. Is that lip gloss you have on, or is it just white eye pencil? Pro tip, if you want to make it look like you have lip gloss on, just draw a big white mark there and a little like semicolon sideways below. Got milk. I'm sorry I also don't look at the camera. It's just really weird on my phone. The camera's like that, you know, the little tiny hole. So it's hard to look at it, and I don't know which hole it is. Oh, white lipstick does not do wonders for your teeth, everyone. Yuckamundo. So the next part is going to be a little hard for a tutorial because if I have to talk, it's going to be really bad for my lips because we're going to be doing that same candy cane pattern on our lips. Will it work? I don't know. I've never done lip art before, so... And then I may outline it in black eyeliner afterwards if it looks too washed out, but we'll see. I also may add some red glitter. I don't know. It may get a little crazy, so just bear with me. I may not be able to talk either, so let's try. Just using the same brushes as earlier. I'm gonna powder my lips so that they're not mashing all over the place because the white eyeliner is a little liquidy, and I think that's because of my lips for some reason. I'm not a scientist. Back to the previously scheduled program. First line done. This is like an optical illusion kind of paint job, so you gotta like look around, look around. If you screw up, the nice thing is you can just use your eyeliner to cover it up. Okay guys, so many failed attempts later, and it's done. So I think I'm gonna add some red glitter to it and maybe outline it in black, and I'll see you after I do that. All right, here we go. Big reveal. 3, 2, 1. Look at that. This just goes to show that glitter makes everything better, I think. It's so amazing that I think I'm gonna put glitter on my eyeliner too. Cause why not? Choose your own adventure. So if you wanna do it too, go for it. I don't know if I wanna outline my lips in black because I kinda like them the way they are, but I'll see. I'll see how I'm feeling after I put glitter on my eyelids, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I did the glitter eyeliner. It truly makes everything better, I'm just saying. So I think I am gonna do the black eyeliner on my lips just to give them some flair. So if it all goes wrong, let's take a moment of silence for these beautiful peppermint lips that I don't think I could recreate again if I even tried.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so story time. I did the eyeliner, but it didn't look good at all. Unless you have stable hands and can draw a thin little eyeliner line around your lips, it's not gonna look good. And that's what happened with me, because I have shaky hands and I can't draw thin lines, so yeah. So I had to use a makeup remover wipe and wipe off the entirety around my lip and then repaint it and re-put the glitter on. So it's been a hot minute and I'm very tired, but we're still continuing. We're not done yet. It's very late too, so I'm worried people can hear me and they're just gonna hear a crazy person talking to themselves. So that's fun. So yeah, repainted them, redrew it. They're very crusty because they've been around for a hot second. And we still have to do highlighter, blush, and lashes. So let's start by doing some blush. Okay, so the last time I used this blush, it was really pink, and I usually don't use blush, so I was like, oh, it's fine, just a little will do. A little goes a long way, and it was very rosy pink, but I figure since we're doing like a Christmas makeup tutorial, people get cold. I know I get cold when going outside, and my cheeks get pink, so I figure it works. And I may do a little on my nose. May get crazy, I don't know. She's pink. Pink on the camera looks so much worse than in real life, I promise. It's very cold out and I just got back from hypothermia, and that's the look we're going for. Again, I usually don't do blush, so do I know what I'm doing? I don't know. We're gonna look like a doll, it's fine. A poorly drawn doll, like the defect doll, that's what we're gonna look like. Okay, well, fairy pink. I look like a mime. I can't even be a mime. Okay, good to know. I'm gonna do a quick spritzy sprue and then put on some highlighter. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I think I'm gonna go with bubbly. You ready to bust a nut? Ooh, okay. I think we're down to the finale. We have 2 options. I guess technically 3 if you want. For our choose your own adventure makeup tutorial. So, I'm gonna first start with a white eyelash to make it look, you know, like frosty. But that's okay because if it looks bad, I can put black over top of it. Then there are super long lashes. And then there's also a third option of putting on fake lashes. So I'm gonna do all 3. We're gonna see what looks good, what doesn't, and I can't think. This is actually a like primer for mascara, so it even works better in case it doesn't look good. You just make your lashes look longer, so it's a win-win situation. They're clumpy dumpy, but it's fine. I kind of like it. It's not bad. It's cute. Okay, so that's option 1. Now let's put on some mascara, and that will be option 2. Okay guys, so I don't really know if option 2 is really an option because it made my lashes look like spider legs, so there's that. I mean, it's like not the worst, so if you like it, go for it, but like I wouldn't suggest white mascara and then black mascara. Maybe just go for the mascara instead. That's probably a better option. Last but not least, fake lashes. I had to use the dramatic lashes because my tinier ones weren't cooperating. So now we look very extreme. I guess this is what I get for wanting to make everything pop this video. Okay, option 3. Very dramatic lashes for a simple holiday look. Or not so simple, as we've seen throughout the video. Ta-da! Alright guys, so we did it. Look, I fixed my hair as well. I look like lamb chop, I'm tired, and my lashes are falling off, so that's fun. Okay guys, well, I hope you got something out of this tutorial, whether it was actual makeup advice or entertainment or just to help you get in the festive spirit. I hope I contributed something to your life today. If not, I'm sorry, and you can't get that time back now, which I also apologize for. But Christmas is next week, and I have a video planned with a special guest, so look forward to that, and I'll see you then. Bye!